This is the Shredline 360 from Tech Deck. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing it, trying it out, as well as giving my full review. First thing taken out of the box, comes with a thank you Tech Deck included. However, it does not come with 4 AA batteries that you will need for the center motorized base plate. Installation is pretty easy, and these little plates snap together for the outer ring. There's 6 plates, and then the wheels snap in to hold everything in place. The motor on the Tech Deck Shredline goes in both clockwise as well as counterclockwise direction, and it has 3 different speeds. First speed is pretty slow, second speed is a little bit faster, and then the third speed is actually pretty fast. I found that this speed is a lot of fun to play around with. The first thing that I noticed using a 34mm fingerboard is that it is a little bit on the smaller side as far as scale goes. That being said, it is functional and it definitely makes it so I have to be a little bit more accurate with my tricks, and it's still a lot of fun. And with the standard 32mm Tech Deck, it definitely works and is a good scale. It just could be a little bit bigger. That being said, I did find this Ryan Sheckler Omnitech figure is a really good scale for it, and this is around 25 to 30% smaller than a normal Tech Deck. Overall, I really like the obstacles that come molded into the Shredline. Got the curved ledge, little almost like pump track, and then the kicker with a little gap. The only obstacle that I don't really like that is molded into the actual table is the little slappy curb, just because it is so short and almost is pointless. And the stickers that came included with it are pretty cool. However, I ended up doing my own artwork with some Posca markers. I really like the Tori Pudwell bear graphic that comes included. It's just a standard Tech Deck, but I think that they're a really good value and a perfect setup for a beginner. I had a lot of fun playing around with the Shredline with the Tech Deck. And I found with having a new grip on there, it's super grippy. And also had a lot of fun with my main setup. The Shredline is a really good way to practice the same trick over and over, just because you can do the same trick without having to reset or go move around on a table, and you can hit the same trick over and over. And especially at the faster speed, I found that I was hitting tricks a lot faster than I normally would on a stationary obstacle. I was able to get in a lot more tricks in the same amount of time. One downside to the Shredline 360 is that the motor is on the louder side. It's about the same loudness as a Roomba floor vacuum. Maybe not as loud, but it definitely is not as quiet as it could be. And it could be annoying for somebody that wants silence or if they're trying to study. And the different speeds also have kind of a different whininess to them. And the slowest speed for me, after a while, gets kind of annoying. I tend to use it on the 3rd speed just for that reason. It does come with these X connectors. However, it does not come with any additional obstacles. You have to buy them separately. And since I didn't have any, I decided to use some DIY obstacles that I just had sitting around and stuck them down with some sticky tack. And I found that the motor on the table can handle a little bit of weight, no problem. Definitely don't want to add anything too much weight, but it makes it a lot more fun to have the additional obstacles on there just for the added variety that you can throw into the different lines. The Shredline and the motor seem to be pretty durable. I've been using it for about 6 months and no issues, and I'm on the 2nd set of batteries. Overall, I really like the Shredline 360, and I think for the value that I paid, around $40 US, I would give this a 7.8 out of 10. However, I have seen since it's come out, it has gone down in price to around $30, and sometimes it's on sale for even less. And at that price, I would give it an 8.3, maybe even 8.5 out of 10. The only thing holding it back from a higher score would be it being a little bit bigger, as well as quieter, and also if the obstacles could be all moved around rather than having the built-in ones, and if it came with a little bit more obstacles. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you would like your tag on this obstacle, let me know what tag you'd like to see on here and the colors. I'm going to be adding a few more on here just to fill this in. Till next time, peace.